So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this Fiber One cereal taste a lot better, add some protein to it, and stay low calorie, and to really help you stay full. So to start off, you're going to want to buy Fiber One cereal. You're only going to have 90 calories in 2/3 of a cup, and you get 17 grams of fiber. Then you're going to want to buy some almond milk, unsweetened, only 30 calories in 1 cup. This is going to help make your cereal very low calorie. Then you're going to want to add some sweetener if you like your cereal a little bit more sweeter. Add some calorie-free stevia. It's not going to really add any calories to your cereal at all. Then to actually make this cereal taste good, you're going to want to add some protein powder. I use pumpkin spice. I like the taste of pumpkin. You can pretty much use any flavor you want to use. This is only going to add 130 more calories to your cereal. It only has 2 grams of fat and 24 grams of protein. The protein is going to really help you stay full with the fiber added from the Fiber One cereal. So I definitely do like to add the protein powder. It's going to keep you more full. So now when you add this all together, you're only getting 90 calories from the cereal, 130 from the protein powder, and 30 from the actual almond milk. Altogether, that makes it 250 calories for 1 bowl of cereal. That's really going to fill you up. It has the 17 grams of fiber in it. It has the 24 grams of protein, so you're getting your fiber and your protein both from this. And if you want to have another bowl of cereal, all you need to do is just do the same thing. So it's just another 250 calories, making it a 500 calorie breakfast. So depending on how many calories you actually need for the day to lose weight, it's not that bad when you're only eating 500 calories. And if the 250 will do you well, then I would just stick with that, since you're going to get a decent amount of protein and fiber in it. So if you are a person that likes to eat cereal in the morning and definitely don't want to add tons of sugar, and you want to get your fiber and you also want to get your protein, this is definitely a way to do that. It's going to taste really good when you add the protein powder and you add stevia, so it's going to be something that you're going to enjoy. So if you like these kinds of videos, please hit the subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified when any new videos come out like this. And if there's anything that you can think of that you want me to try to make, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed. Have a good day.